Okay, I received this in the mail. Yes, I'm still not well, but there's still things to do, places to go. We're here at Singapore Center and we're gonna collect a package. Let's head back to the studio to unbox this. Hey guys, it's really warm out there, but I'm back here with the package and a bubble tea. Yes, I'm still nursing this, whatever this is, and it's getting better, so I have hopes that I'll be back out there, out in the open, sketching and painting for you guys. In the meantime, here we go guys, this better be it. It's a huge package. I think it came all the way from the UK. This should be the Spider-Verse that I ordered. Oh, yes it is. So, here we go guys. So the cover itself has this matte on one side and gloss laminate finish. Really pretty. Let's do this. I like it how it's always a continuation. Okay, here we go. It's heavy. Probably concept art. There we go guys, the first look into the Spider-Verse, the art of the movie. So many of you know that many of you out there probably know that I have some animation background. I was trained in the area before I took the leap into more traditional way of doing art, or rendering art. You know, books like these, I would collect them back in those days, and I would have stacks and stacks of Pixar and Disney books. On occasion, I'd have a few from DreamWorks. So I would collect these and they would be my source of inspiration. How to render things, how to draw things. But this movie has been such an eye-opener and I think an inspiration to many people around the world in the animation industry that I decided to inspire myself to get the book and hopefully maybe get back into animation or doing a little bit more of animation, or maybe even combining my animation with traditional works. So that's the backstory. I will leave you guys to this background track while I flip through the rest of this book. This is Alvin Mark saying ciao ciao to audio for now.